A once-in-a-generation winter storm is socking the nation right in the holiday travel season.
It's the storm of the century. -6 right now, and we're foolish to even be out here. But Ophelia's Blue Vine is so committed to the community, Kansas City, as well as all of our Hy-Vee stores, that I don't know if we can do it, but we're about to attempt probably the impossible. So come on, let's get this order out. Hey guys, Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and we thought we were done with our Christmas orders. However, one of our Hy-Vee stores was short on product. They have people that need fresh products, and we got to give it to them. We've got a huge order about to go out.
Time to cut the rosemary.
I got a taste of the real world. I got battered on the North Shore. It gave me comfort when I always knew that. I always knew that you were there for me next door. I lived it hard on the long road. I ran through every single zip code. I get lonely, but I always knew that. I always knew that your heart I could call home, and nothing could ever stand in our way. Whether it all falls down, whether it all falls through, I know that you'll be waiting there for me when I come through. Even if I get knocked down, even if I get pushed through, I know you'll be standing there for me, strong like a statue.
I can't believe we did it. This order is ready to go out, and so we'll have a lot of families that will have Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm's fresh herbs for this Christmas and this holiday season.